Welcome to 440 Dev Hub. Today we're diving deep into the world of web development, a journey that will guide you through the essentials of building websites and web applications from scratch. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, this roadmap will help you understand the path to becoming a successful web developer. What is web development? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is web development? Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites. It involves everything from creating the visual layout of a site to writing code that runs on web servers. There are three main areas you need to be familiar with: front-end development, back-end development, and FullStack development. Front-end development. First up, let's talk about front-end development. This is the part of web development that deals with the user interface, the things you see and interact with on a website. Front-end developers work on the client side, meaning they focus on what the users see in their web browsers. Front-end languages. The core languages you need to learn for front-end development are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the skeleton of your website. It structures the content, like headings, paragraphs, links, images, and other elements. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is the design part. It makes your website look good by controlling the layout, colors, fonts, and overall visual style. JavaScript is where the magic happens. It adds interactivity to your site, like animations, form validations, and dynamic content. Once you're comfortable with these languages, you can explore frameworks and libraries to make your work easier and more efficient. Front-end frameworks and libraries. Frameworks and libraries are tools that streamline your development process. For example, React, a JavaScript library developed by Facebook. It's component-based, making it easier to build complex user interfaces. Vue.js, a progressive framework that's great for building user interfaces. It's known for its simplicity and flexibility. Angular, a robust framework developed by Google. It's a complete solution for building single-page applications, SPAs. Choosing between these depends on your project needs and personal preference. React is currently the most popular, but all three are excellent choices. Backend development. Next, let's move on to backend development. This is the server side of web development, where all the behind-the-scenes work happens. Backend developers manage databases, server logic, and application programming interfaces, APIs. Essentially, they make sure the data requested by the front end is delivered correctly. Backend languages. To become a backend developer, you need to learn server-side languages. Here are some of the most popular ones. JavaScript, with Node.js. If you already know JavaScript from front-end development, Node.js allows you to use it on the back end as well. This is a great way to be a full-stack developer with just one language. Python. Known for its readability and simplicity, Python is a great language for beginners. It's widely used in web development with frameworks like Django and Flask. PHP, despite its reputation, PHP is still widely used, especially with content management systems like WordPress. Laravel is a popular PHP framework that simplifies many tasks. Ruby. Ruby, along with its framework Ruby on Rails, is known for its ease of use and productivity. It's great for building database-backed web applications. Java. Java is a solid choice for enterprise-level applications. It's used by many large organizations for building powerful back-end systems. Spring is a popular framework in the Java ecosystem. When it comes to choosing a back-end language, consider what types of projects you want to work on. For example, if you're interested in building quick, scalable applications, Node.js might be a good choice. If you're interested in data science or machine learning, Python is a great option. Full-stack development. Finally, we have full-stack development. Full-stack developers are like the jacks of all trades in web development. They handle both the front end and back end, making them incredibly versatile. If you enjoy working on both the visual aspects and the logic that powers a website, then FullStack Development might be the path for you. FullStack Frameworks. To become a full-stack developer, you'll want to learn both front-end and back-end languages, as well as the frameworks that tie them together. Mean-Mern Stack, the mean stack, MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, Node.js, and Mern Stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React, Node.js, are popular choices for full-stack development. They allow you to use JavaScript for the entire stack, making development more streamlined. LAMP Stack. The LAMP stack, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, is a traditional stack that's still widely used. It's a solid choice for web applications that require a relational database. Django with React.Vue. You can also combine Django, a Python framework, for the back end with React or Vue for the front end, giving you a powerful full-stack setup. The key to being a successful full-stack developer is to have a strong understanding of both front-end and back-end concepts and to be able to switch between the two as needed. Conclusion. To wrap it up, web development is a vast field with many paths you can take. Start by mastering the basics of front-end development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then explore back-end development to understand how servers, databases, and APIs work. If you want the best of both worlds, aim for full-stack development, where you'll be equipped to build entire applications from start to finish. Remember, the most important thing is to keep learning and experimenting. The tech world is always evolving, so stay curious, stay updated, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.